Welcome to 4645 Northwest 52nd Street, located in Tetherow Crossing. This 1,458 square foot home sits on 2.51 acres, 3 beds, 2 baths, a covered front porch, and an uncovered back deck. That shop is awesome. I'll show you around inside there. Parking is great. Lots of space all throughout and a circular drive. Come in that gate here and leave that gate over there. Fully fenced property. Everything's in tip-top condition. Newly painted outside, metal roof. You can see the skirting around this home. It's all cinder block with foundation vents. Great feature. Just a completely dialed property. Great location. Neighborhood second to none. Quick access into Redmond and throughout the region. Dialed and ready to go. Now inside the front door, moving through the great room area with newer laminate flooring. That is a pellet stove. Great natural light. These are north-facing windows. So good natural light, but no direct sunlight beaming into the living space, which is nice. You don't have to have blinds. You can for privacy, but the privacy is already excellent, so I don't think that would be necessary. Fully remodeled kitchen. New countertops, butcher block here, lots of storage, good appliances. The lighting is excellent, both artificially and naturally. But lots of options here with dimmable fixtures and a ceiling fan. You can see those laminate floors continue through all the space into the primary. It has its own private access to the back deck if you wanted to have a hot tub there. There's lots of different ways that that's convenient to have a setup where you can go straight out of the primary. Very nice feature. Also a great feature here, you've got the main primary bath with a big soaker tub. And your toilet, tile floors, all in very nice condition. You have your big vanity here. And then separately, there is a very big walk-in ADA shower. Tile floors here, nice space, really functional for anybody that needs that kind of accessibility. There is a small lip there, but it's pretty insignificant. You could have a little ramped pad if you need to for a wheelchair or for walkers. Good sized closet there behind those bypass doors. One of the 2 guest bedrooms. There's the hall closet for linen storage. Good size closet here. The guest bathroom, tile flooring in here too. Newer vanity. Tub shower combo. Really a nice setup there. Final guest bedroom. There's the thermostat. And the utility room. You can see the newer furnace there. Some new cabinets. And then your location for washer and dryer. Really cool that they've got the vent set up for the dryer that way. Makes it very easy to push your appliance back in, snug against the wall, get that seal and not have it sticking out. And then this door leads to the shop, the back deck, and I'll show you around out there as well. Now the shop, you've got the great little storage shed adjacent for gasoline or other things that you don't want off gassing inside of a enclosed space. The shop is insulated. Big roll-up doors there. And it's mostly finished. There's a few places that aren't. This space is fully finished with a tile floor, good lighting, make a nice office, workout room, bonus room. Lots of different uses. You can keep it heated and not have to heat the rest of the space. Garage door opener on this one. And then back into this room, kind of set up as a paint booth, but it's not completely finished with ventilation and different things that you might want for a formal paint booth, but it can be used that way. It has great lighting. With all these on, you can really see what you're doing. There's lots of ways this would be useful. It's a great space regardless, but it could be used as a paint booth if you're wanting to do some cool classic car restoration or projects like that. You can see the little water heater here, and we have a 220 outlet for a welder plug. There's the breaker panel, and then there's a little bathroom here. Water plumbed in, there's a heater. It's not finished as it is right now, but could be really easily. That shower surround and everything. Would not take much to have that fully functioning. Everything's ready to go. Just a great space here. Garage shop combo. Nice to see how there's just so much parking. The gravel is really well placed. The lot is super clean too. You don't have fire concerns. Junipers are limbed up. There's a defensible space around all of the structures. RV parking there. You can see that's all plugged in. You have the connections there. Little extra storage off the back. You can see the septic there. Water connection. See, you've got the sewer clean out and the power, everything, so you can actually have an RV fully connected in this location. Super functional, fully fenced, parking everywhere, clean and ready to go.